nice weather, so windy and cold. I like this weather. Now let's have a look at this tree. This is my mint tree and this is my tomato plant, and it had 3 tomatoes and one we plucked it, and now 2 tomatoes are still growing. See? And did you notice something? This mint tree and tomato plant is a different plants. They're also having different types of leaves. If you look around, you'll see different types of plants having different types of leaves. So in today's episode, let us try to learn more about a leaf of a plant. Welcome back to my channel, Kawan Sawa. I'm Fadi. Most of the plants on earth are green. Do you know why they're green? They're green due to the presence of the substance called chlorophyll, chlorophyll, chlorophyll present in their leaves. If a leaf have no chlorophyll, which means the leaf have no green color. So plants can be identified by looking at their leaves, like this mint tree. If we get this leaf, this shape of leaf, so we can understand this is a mint tree's leaf. Plants can be identified by looking at their leaves. Yes. Then parts of a leaf. The flat part of a leaf is called the leaf blade. Some leaves have a very broad leaf blade, whereas some have narrow ones. The thin tube running through the middle of the leaf is called the main vein. Here, the main vein, or we can call it midrib. The smaller thin tubes running from the main vein is called the side veins. Veins are used for transportation of substances like water, minerals, and nutrients to and from the leaves to prepare food. The tip of a leaf is called the leaf apex. Leaf apex. The underside of the leaf have many millions of tiny openings. These tiny openings are called stomata. The singular form of stomata is stoma. Stomata is used as a respiratory function for the plant. Now, functions of a leaf. The leaf is the kitchen of the plant, which means the leaf is making food for the plant. Thus, it is known as the food factory of the plant. The underside of the leaf have stomata, so they help take in and out air, take in carbon dioxide and give oxygen to humans and animals. Do you know how do plants make food? Leaves make food. The green leaves make food on their own, using with the help of carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, sunlight, and so sunlight, air, and water. They use the process by which they use sunlight, water, air, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll. This process is called photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means to put together, light to put together, photosynthesis. The roots carry water, nutrients and minerals from the soil. Then the stem carries it to the leaves. Then the leaf prepare the food. When sunlight lights on the leaf, the chlorophyll absorb the water, minerals and nutrients. The underside of the leaf stomata take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen to humans and animals. Yeah. So this is how plants make food. This is my little information I know about plants. So hope you love my video. If you like my video, please hit on the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. So hope you love my video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Catch you later.